Kings of India resulted in the creation of a unique spiritual and emotional niche and vacuum among the forerunners of Rastafarians. Their minds searched and hearts craved an African potentate like Lord Rama or Krishna, just like Indian cricket fans wish for an Indian Michael Holden or Viv Richards. Alright, they were looking for one in Africa. They needed a Krishna. You hear this? Lord Rama. They needed one in Africa. Joseph Heber, Howell's companion in St. Thomas, confirmed to Mansingh that after learning about the Hindu god incarnates, Rama, Krishna, and Buddha, Howell was convinced that every nation had its own god. Jesus for the whites, Rama, Krishna, Buddha for the Indians, and someone in Africa, about whom he did not know, for the Africans. All right, Dr. Hadid, you see, they're turning all you guys into Africans. Generalized